This is the sculpture that's caused so much outrage. Entitled McJesus, it displays a fast food outlet's famous mascot hanging from a cross, an important symbol in Christianity. HAIFA Museum has added a disclaimer that it's not meant to cause offence, but it has. On Friday, hundreds of protesters faced off with the police on the streets as they attempted to force their way into the museum to remove it themselves. Others are camping outside until the work is taken down.
This is something I kneel for. I redeem it with my soul. I offer it with all the good things. And what do you expect? I first of all felt that this is a big insult, a big insult. I hope that everyone will stand with us in solidarity.
The heads of churches across Israel are seeking a court order to have the sculpture removed.
We started with the heads of the churches. A petition was offered to the judiciary to remove it. We will continue through peaceful rallies and vigils with the churches, the museum and the municipality. We won't be quiet until we reach a solution.
We need to understand that freedom of expression is interpreted in different ways in different societies. We live today in Israel. If this work was directed against non-Christians, the world would be turned upside down.
It's not only the Christian community that's angry, but the artist himself. He asked the museum not to use his work in September when he joined the boycott, divestment and sanctions of Israel. He told Israeli media that Israel uses culture as a form of propaganda to whitewash the occupation. But the director of the museum says he's defending the freedom of art, culture and speech.
We fully understand the hurt feeling of the Christians here, but we have to explain to them that this wasn't the meaning, and we are sorry that they are offended by this work.
The Christian population makes up just 2% of Israel, and people in the community say it's a daily struggle to freely practice their culture and religion. They say the work was put up against their will, and due to their minority status, their concerns are being ignored. Burdon-Manley, Al Jazeera.